Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have something exciting to share with you. We are going to explore the exterior design of this stunning model house. So let's dive right in. As you can see, this house is a perfect blend of modern architecture and timeless elegance. The clean lines, large windows and carefully selected materials creating a striking first impression. The front door is often the focal point of a house, and this one does not disappoint. The sleek design combined with the warm wood finish adds a touch of sophistication to the overall aesthetic. Moving around to the backyard, we are greeted by a beautifully landscaped garden. The manicured lawn, vibrant flowers, and strategically placed trees create a serene and inviting outdoor space. Here we have a cozy outdoor seating area that's perfect for relaxation and entertaining guests. The comfortable furniture accompanied by stylish accessories makes this space both functional and visually appealing. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the beauty of any house, and this model house nails it. Notice how the carefully placed exterior light highlights the architectural features and create a warm and welcoming ambience. Now let's talk about the roof. This house features a combination of flat and pitched roof, adding depth and visual interest to the overall design. The roof's choice of material ensure durability while complementing the house overall aesthetic. The large windows in this house are not just aesthetically pleasing, they also maximize natural light and providing breathtaking views of the surrounding. The brick frames add a contemporary touch to the exterior. Next, we have the garage. Notice how the design seamlessly integrates it into the overall structure, making it a functional yet visually appealing part of the house. The use of matching material ensure a cohesive look. Color plays a significant role in defining a house exterior style. In this model house, we see a harmonious combination of neutral tones with pops of vibrant colors. The contrasts add personally and create a modern and inviting atmosphere. Finally, let's appreciate the thoughtfully designed outdoor amenities from a swimming pool to a barbecue area and a playground for our kids. This house offers something for everyone, making it perfect haven for families. And that bring you to the end of our tour. Now let's shift our focus to the architectural element that make this model house truly unique. Take a look at the facade. The use of texture materials such as stone, wood add depth and character to the exterior. These elements create a visually appealing contrast and give the house a distinct personality. Additionally, incorporate of large glass panels on the upper level not only add a touch of modernity but also allow for an abundance of natural light to illuminate the interior space, creating a bright and airy atmosphere throughout. As we explore further, one cannot miss the attention to detail in the outdoor living space. The house boasts a spacious patio with a pergola, creating inviting area for outdoor dining and relaxation. The pergola not only add shade but also serve a decorative element adorned with climbing plant that provided a touch of nature. Additionally, carefully designing landscaping around the patio feature a mix of ornamental shrubs, flowering plant, and well manicured lawn, enhancing the overall charm and curve appeal of the house. Whether it's a tranquil morning coffee or an evening gathering with friends, this model house offers the perfect outdoor retreat for any occasion. Uh, we hope you enjoyed exploring the exterior design of this stunning model house as much as we did. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content like this. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Until then, stay inspired and keep dreaming big. Bye.